Hey everyone, this is Tyler from Teeks643boxbreaks.com bringing you a live buy it now break of 13-14 Panini Playbook. Thanks a lot to those who bought into this break and had the patience with me. I couldn't break it after 5 o'clock, so I had to wait until late tonight. Many of you, I'm sure, are going to be getting this video early tomorrow morning. Should get you guys the team list right away, so here's the team list for this box of Playbook. Once again, thanks a lot to everyone for participating. Sarah, found on film, nice to see ya. Everyone else, I believe, is a regular. So 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 everyone else, Soccer Taz and Therm, you guys are all getting an extra stock to allocate to a team. So everyone else, Soccer Taz has 3 extra stocks. Soccer Taz and Therm, you guys are all getting an extra stock to allocate to a team. So everyone else, Soccer Taz has 3 extra stocks to be able to buy it now. You guys are all getting an extra stock to allocate to a team. So everyone else, Soccer Taz has 3 extra stocks to be able to buy it now. You guys are all getting an extra stock to allocate to a team. So everyone else, Soccer Taz has 3 extra stocks to be able to buy it now. You guys are all getting an extra stock to allocate to a team. So everyone else, Soccer Taz has 3 extra stocks to be able to buy it now. You guys are all getting an extra stock to allocate to a team. So everyone else, Soccer Taz has 3 extra stocks to be able to buy it now. You guys are all getting an extra stock to allocate to a team. So everyone else, Soccer Taz has 3 extra stocks to be able to buy it now. You guys are all getting an extra stock to allocate to a team. So everyone else, Soccer Taz has 3 extra stocks to be able to buy it now. You guys are all getting an extra stock to allocate to a team. So everyone else, Soccer Taz has 3 extra stocks to be able to buy it now. You guys are all getting an extra stock to allocate to a team. So everyone else, Soccer Taz has 3 extra stocks to be able to buy it now. You guys are all getting an extra stock to allocate to a team. So everyone else, Soccer Taz has 3 extra stocks to be able to buy it now. You guys are all getting an extra stock to allocate to a team. So everyone else, Soccer Taz has 3 extra stocks to be able to buy it now. You guys are all getting an extra stock to allocate to a team. So everyone else, Soccer Taz has 3 extra stocks to be able to buy it now. You guys are all getting an extra stock to allocate to a team. So everyone else, Soccer Taz has 3 extra stocks to be able to buy it now. You guys are all getting an extra stock to allocate to a team. So everyone else, Soccer Taz has 3 extra stocks to be able to buy it now. You guys are all getting an extra stock to allocate to a team. So everyone else, Soccer Taz has 3 extra stocks to be able to buy it now. You guys are all getting an extra stock to allocate to a team. So everyone else, Soccer Taz has 3 extra stocks to be able to buy it now. You guys are all getting an extra stock to allocate to a team. So everyone else, Soccer Taz has 3 extra stocks to be able to buy it now. You guys are all getting an extra stock to allocate to a team. So everyone else, Soccer Taz has 3 extra stocks to be able to buy it now. You guys are all getting an extra stock to allocate to a team. So everyone else, Soccer Taz has 3 extra stocks to be able to buy it now. You guys are all getting an extra stock to allocate to a team. So everyone else, Soccer Taz has 3 extra stocks to be able to buy it now. You guys are all getting an extra stock to allocate to a team. So everyone else, Soccer Taz has 3 extra stocks to be able to buy it now. You guys are all getting an extra